Your knowledge base is a great way to give your AI agent detailed, in-depth information to draw on. Where an FAQ handles a quick question, knowledge base articles are better suited to fuller explanations. So they're ideal for equipping your agent to handle more involved customer queries. If you don't already have a knowledge base set up, you can create one in just a few steps. Give it a name, choose the name that'll appear in your knowledge base link, and select your language. From there, you can add your logo and pick a primary color, though you can always leave these for later. Next, create a category to organize your content. Then add an article, give it a title, add your content, and assign it to the category you created. When you're happy with it, hit Publish. To connect it to your agent, go to Automations, Agents, then select your agent. Navigate to the Knowledge Base section, then click Knowledge Base and the one you set up. Click Save, and your agent will start drawing on those articles right away. Your agent can also share a direct link to the relevant article in conversation, so customers can click through and read the full details. To make this happen, add a simple instruction telling your agent to include the article link when it answers from your knowledge base. As your business grows, keep adding and refining articles. The more detail your knowledge base holds, the better your agent can answer. For more assistance, visit the Talk.to Academy or book a call with an AI Assist specialist today.